the dance of a deeper explanation. Zen and Perpetual Nowness. What if I told you the past doesn't exist and the future never shows up? That your deepest regrets and biggest anxieties are time travel fan fiction written by your brain in real time? Let's be blunt. The whole past, present, future thing. It's a mental spreadsheet. Super handy for booking flights. Absolutely useless for enlightenment. In Zen, time isn't a line. It's not even a dot. It's just now. Not the present moment like some self-help bumper sticker, but now as in the whole show. Everything. All at once. Because here's the twist. That memory you're replaying, it's happening now. That fantasy about next Tuesday, also now. Even that Zen quote you're trying to remember, still now. The past is just a thought. The future, also just a thought. And where do all thoughts show up? Yep, right here, in Perpetual Nowness. The only place they can show up. But wait. Don't confuse this with some forced focus on your breath like it's a hostage negotiation. Being here now isn't a demand. It's an observation. You're already here. You can't not be. That's the punchline. Try escaping now. Go ahead. Imagine the past. Plan the future. You didn't leave this moment. You just dressed it up in different clothes. Zen doesn't bother with clocks. It's not tracking your seconds. It's trying to free you from the illusion that they matter. When you sit Zazen, you're not entering the present moment. You're realizing you never left. And that nagging thought, am I doing this right? That's now too. Welcome to the party. Even suffering gets a reality check in this light. Regret? Can't exist without dragging a ghost of the past into now. Anxiety? Just fear of a future that hasn't arrived. Because it can't. All you've got, all you've ever had, is this, and it's enough. Zen doesn't erase memory. It just puts it in its place. A thought arising in the now, fading in the now. Like a sneeze, or a shooting star, or your latest craving for carbs. So no, Zen isn't anti-time. It's just not fooled by it. Because once you see through the illusion, you realize something wild. The now isn't a moment. It's the whole universe. And you've never not been in it.